Tonight, Syed Taj, who's running for the open 11th congressional seat, tells 7 Action News reporter Dave Llewellyn why he is the best person for the job.
Dr. Syed Taj came to the U.S. back in 1982 to practice medicine. Now he says he's ready to tackle what ails the federal government after serving in his hometown.
In 2008, I decided to run for office in Kenton Township. And I was elected to the Township Board as the first Democrat in a predominantly Republican town, and first ever probably in the last 25+ years.
Taj is running for the open 11th congressional seat, which covers western Wayne County and Oakland County. Not surprisingly, health care is a primary concern of this candidate.
I feel that every human being deserves a quality, affordable care. That's number one. As a patient, as a caregiver, I would like everybody to have a quality, affordable care. On the other hand, as a physician, for us, more insured patients coming to our office. So it's a win-win situation for both sides. So yes, if the bill went far enough, I would like to have it. No, it did not. I think there's so many good things in it. What are you going to repeal? You know, pre-existing condition, going back to the days of ceiling, lifetime ceiling on your health benefit? Or do you want to go and get rid of your children not being covered by health care? So there's so many things. You know, practicing in 3 different countries or different continents. Obviously, I had experience for India, which is Asia. I have experience for Great Britain, which is Europe. And for 30 years, I've been here. And I have worked in every system. And I still feel that probably a single biller type of situation would be best. But my feeling is that probably we'll end up with a hybrid situation where there will be still some, you know, private insurance company and private marketplace, and most of the health care provided by the federal government. Now, as far as our deficit and, you know, future is concerned, think about USA as a big company, the whole economy. We have it's the richest country on the earth right now, despite all the problems we see. We have almost worth about $520 trillion we are worth, out of which our deficit is only 16 trillion, which comes to only 3%. So by arithmetic, if you have a business which is worth $100, you are taking a loan of $3 there. That's all you're looking for. So it's really not much. Yes, we have made a big fuss about it. Every president from Ronald Reagan time onwards, they have taken money and to run the government. So we have to continue doing that.
Taj says more revenue is needed. He's for ending the Bush tax cuts and believes tax rates should be raised 2 to 4% for individuals making over $1 million.
We are at a crossroad in this country. In my district especially, here you have a professional who has worked all his life taking care of people. I'm very good at listening, very good at diagnosing problems, and then very good at taking care of them. So this is essentially an extension of what I would be doing when I go to Congress. Yes, there are certain issues very dear to me, especially trying to save Medicare, save Social Security. I want to have affordable health care for everybody. I definitely want to bring down the cost of tuition, which is a lot of family. I mean, even this year, almost admission to colleges has gone down by 10 to 15%. And that's because of the money. I want to make sure that people who are less fortunate has more Pell Grants type of situation where they can get money, or if they can afford, they can get loan from the federal government. I want to keep that interest rate low. And so there are so many programs which I definitely want to implement so that people can have a good life. I can tell you about myself, where I am today is an American dream. and I want everybody to have that opportunity to fulfill their dream.
I'm Dave Llewellyn, 7 Action News.